Hi, I'm Lori Weber,
And I'm Robert Weber.
and we live in Westchester, New York. I'm a music therapist. I'm also a music teacher in the area. I teach religious school music. I teach preschool music. I do music and movement in the city.
And I'm a periodontist.
And we're here today because we want to highly recommend Rabbi Dov Shapiro for your son's circumcision. He did an excellent job on both of our children's circumcisions. What we liked about him the most was that he paid such attention to detail. He visited us prior to the bris to see if there were any complications, anything unusual, to see what he was going to do the next day. And then, of course, the day of the bris, he did a wonderful job. Everything was smooth. Everything was very sterile, very clean, very accurate. And in fact, we did have a complication with our older son, which it was a really great thing that Rabbi Shapiro came the day before because he could assess what he was going to do in advance. And then he even came back the next day and saw how the bandage looked and how the healing was going. So if you need a mohel, rest assured that Rabbi Shapiro is really the person for your job.
And he also tailors the whole procedure and the whole event to whatever your crowd is, so that we had a lot of people who are religious, some people that are not religious, some people that weren't even Jewish, and he was able to tailor the whole circumcision before, during, and afterwards, so that everybody felt involved and felt like they were a part of it, a part of the mitzvah. And he also gave us a choice of where to have it, and we chose a more intimate setting, which was great for both. That we did it in our son's room, actually. So just the main players, so to speak, were there, and then afterwards we all went down to it was the summertime, so we went outside and we did the rest outside. So everybody felt involved, but only the main players were witness to the actual procedure.
And those who felt it was really a mitzvah to witness the bris were most definitely invited to join us in the intimate setting. But when we came downstairs, I think everybody really enjoyed just being there for the songs and the chanting and the just the real ruach and the real simcha of the whole event, and hearing Sammy's name sung and Zachary's name sung, and it just was a really joyful event. So and Rabbi Shapiro will also give you a wonderful sermon, even on the spot. If you ask him to speak, he doesn't even need any preparation. So if you decide you don't feel comfortable speaking, he will come up with a wonderful speech. Or if you feel like speaking, he will definitely give you the floor and let you do it your way. So flexibility, accuracy, sterile, and very caring and compassionate to the child's needs. And he was definitely quick. And there was, maybe minimal crying, just as it happened, but afterwards I don't think there was any crying. So all those parents who are a little bit nervous and apprehensive, rest assured that he's going to do a great job.